Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to find and use the Melbet promo code step by step. If you're new to Melbet or simply don't know where to enter the promo code, don't worry, I'll guide you through the complete process. So let's get started.
First, open your browser. Type Melbet Official and search. After that, open the first website. Once the website loads, you will see a download option. Click there to download and install the app. After the installation is complete, open the app. Now, click on the option highlighted with a mark. Then, click on the highlighted option again. Now you can see that a registration form has opened. First, select your country. Then select your convenient currency. Next, in the promo code section, enter the official code shown on the screen. After that, click on the box below and tap on the option marked at the bottom. Now, verify the CAPTCHA that appears. Once the CAPTCHA is verified, your ID and password will be generated. Click on the copy option here, then click Next. This way, you will successfully log in. Now, for account verification, click on the menu option given at the bottom. Then, click on the marked option and after that, tap on the highlighted option again. Now, a form will open, where you need to fill in all the details according to your ID card. First, enter your surname in the surname section. Then, enter your first name in the first name section. After that, select your date of birth. Similarly, fill in all the options given below correctly according to your ID card. Once you have completed all the details, click on the Save option at the bottom. As soon as you save, your account verification process will be complete. Now to add a balance to your account, you will see a balance option. After clicking on this option, you will see many payment methods. Select any payment method according to your preference and convenience. Then follow the instructions given on the screen to complete the process. Now let's look at the withdrawal process. For this, click on the option given on the right side of the screen. Then click on the transfer option. Here too, you will find many payment methods. Select the method through which you want to make a transfer request and click Continue. Then, by following the instructions given on the screen, you can successfully complete your request.
And that's how you can find and apply the Melbet promo code step by step. Just follow the instructions carefully and make sure the code is entered correctly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.